Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please click on like and subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back. Alright, this video is going to be super fast, a few seconds long, maybe less than a minute. This button down here at the bottom right, when I click on it,
disarmed, not ready to arm, zone, bypassed.
All that is a status button. It tells you what's going on with the panel. It tells me I'm not ready to arm and I've got something bypassed. It will not tell you what's open or what's closed. If you have an open issue, you would have to hit the three dots, show the zones, and it would show you what was open. It does show the bypass zone, which doesn't make any sense why it wouldn't tell you what was open, but it does show the bypass zone, which we bypassed in an earlier lesson. But either way, you could bypass everything that you had problems with, or again, if you have a problem with something you need an installer to come fix, you could bypass it temporarily. Back to the home page, click on the house, and again, that's all that button does. Hope that helped everybody out. Please click on like and subscribe.